Hi, this is VisiPro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get Meta AI on Messenger. Before you get started, forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Meta has launched a new AI tool called Meta AI to help people connect in more existing way. This comes after the successful of ChatGPT, which has sparked a wave of interest in AI chatbots. However, Meta AI is a bit different from other chatbots. It was announced at MetaConnect 223 alongside the case 3MR's headset, and it's designed to help people communicate easily. For example, you could use this finalize plans for a trip with friends or search for information online without leaving of Meta's any app. So how to get this feature on your messenger? It's so simple. So first of all, you have to make sure that your messenger on the latest update or version, the newest version, so you can check on your app store or play store. If there is an option to update, you can just update your messenger app on your phone, because this feature only available on the newest version of messenger app. After you update the messenger app, you can open the app. Wait, it's still installing on my phone. Let's wait. Let's open the messenger. And now you have the Meta AI assistant on your messenger in here, and you can start using this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to use Meta AI on your messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.